Okay, time for some more unboxing here. This is a PCjr joystick. Made in Japan. Spring return or free floating, 2 fire buttons, centering adjustments, etc. Analog joystick. Like all of this stuff, it is sealed. I have 2 of these, so I'll get to do this twice. This obviously goes in your system manual binder, I would think. And of course, the main reason you buy this, the proprietary connector. It looks about exactly like I thought it would look. Fire button there. And I remember these old adjustments back in the day. You'd do the calibration, you'd leave it on the screen, you'd move these until it's centered. I'm guessing these... Ah, yes. You can disable the hold stick to corner, okay. There we go. And now it's got no spring return. Such a tiny little thing. I never understood why they thought that was good. So difficult to play with a tiny little stick. Nice looking joystick though. That's about all there is to it. We'll use this in a later video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.